In this video, I'll show you how to become a CEO in GTA 5 Online. Now, first things first, you need to purchase an office. So if you don't have an office, all you have to do is bring up your phone and select Internet. And then from here, choose Money and Services. And then scroll down and select Dynasty 8 Executive. And then choose Enter. And then select Offices and find the office that you'd like to purchase. So simply purchase any office that you'd like. And then once you purchase an office, all you have to do is press the interaction menu, or bring up the interaction menu, by pressing the M button on your keyboard. Or if you are on console, press and hold the touch button on your PS5 and it should bring the interaction menu. And then from here, select Register as Boss. There we go. And then select Secure Save and then start an organization. And there you go. You can now become the CEO of your organization. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.